Back to another video. It is Monday, August 30th, and I want to update you guys on one of my favorite stocks of 2021, and it's Senseonics, ticker symbol SENS. Senseonics currently sitting at $3.83 at the time of this video. If we take a look here at the chart, let's take a look at the 1-year chart. And Senseonics, really since the beginning, towards the end of actually July, heading into August, has really just kind of gone up. Like I said, if you take a look at the 5-year chart for Senseonics, you was trading back early end of 2020 at around 44-45 cents, and then towards the beginning of 2021 absolutely climbed up, was up to $5.56 back in February, dipped back down here in May, and now seeing some nice recovery back to $3.81. So I just wanted to go over a few things in regards to Senseonics, give your guys' opinion, give my opinion on Senseonics, and then get your guys' opinion in the comments below. My first video I ever made back on Senseonics was January 27th, back when honestly I started this channel, and that was at $2.58, and I talked about Senseonics and why I thought Senseonics could hit $5, and then it was waiting for FDA approval with their CGM device. And that was back January 27th, $2.58. It's been a wild ride, but now $3.81. So let me know if you guys had watched that previous video. Maybe some of you, if you watched that previous video and you are still holding Senseonics from that video till now. But let's not waste any time. Let's just get right into it. So Senseonics, you guys, if you were unfamiliar, has the it has the Eversense CGM system, right? So the Eversense CGM system is really what it has going for them. The Eversense, you can see here, is the 90-day CGM system, and you can actively manage your diabetes simply and with confidence. Eversense provides continuous glucose monitoring for up to 90 days. Basically an under-the-skin sensor, removable, rechargeable. You check your app for real-time diabetes monitoring and management. If you're unfamiliar with people that do have diabetes, they need to check their glucose levels, usually old-fashioned way with the prick of the finger. I feel like now with Eversense and there's other similar products, but kind of becoming somewhat outdated, having to prick your finger in certain situations. You know, most people don't want to prick their finger. Some people forget to. With the Eversense, it really just makes it that much easier. So just right off the bat, you probably are aware and can see the value and the efficiency and just the overall usefulness of the Eversense CGM system to people that do have diabetes. So we've been waiting kind of for the FDA approval and some other things here for Senseonics stock to really blow up. But you can see here on this NASDAQ article that came out 3 days ago, Senseonics Holdings Inc. shares close the week 22.5% higher of the weekly wrap. Senseonics Holdings shares closed this week 22.5% higher than it did at the end of last week. The stock is currently up 345% year to date, up 685% over the past 12 months, and down about 2.5% over the past 5 years. This week, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.9 and the S&P 500 rose 1.5. Shares traded as high as $4.09 and as low as $3.46. Trading volume this week was 0.6% lower than the 10-day average and 32% higher than the 30-day average. Beta, a measure of the stock's volatility relative to the overall market, stands at 0%. So those are like some technical things as far as where the stock was this week and really the past 30 days as far as the chart. But as far as the, I guess, fundamentals and the catalysts here for Eversense or for the Senseonics stock, there's an Investor Place article by Thomas Neal. I will link this article in the description below. This came out 3 days ago. It's very, very detailed information, very resourceful information here. The meme stock wave that sent Senseonics stock higher has come and gone, yet so far it hasn't pulled back in the way other popular stocks on Reddit with Reddit traders have done. After its slide in July to under $2 per share, the medical technology company play has partially bounced back and today trades around $4.03 per share. So there's no Reddit influence on this stock rising specifically. As you may know, the company may have massive potential down the road with its Eversense diabetes monitoring product. In the coming years, the growth of this product could push the company's sales from $14 million projected for this year to as much as $200 million by 2025. $200 million in projected sales by 2025 with just the Eversense diabetes monitoring product. Truly a game-changing product. I've been saying this back when I made this video back on January 27th that the Eversense CGM system is just absolutely game-changing product, and I definitely think anyone that does have diabetes could probably agree with that it would just make life that much easier. So It makes sense that why this is a heavily shorted stock. Instead of getting squeezed, they could end up profiting big. If the bottom falls out, speculative stocks later this year, entering a small speculative position at current levels may not be the worst thing in the world. If you're looking to make a big bet on the future of Eversense, you may want to sit tight and wait for lower prices. Now, obviously, from when this article came out, the price has dropped some, sitting at trading at $4.03, $3.81 right now. Me personally, I do think we could see this stock drop a little more, actually, more specifically to get a nice position here on Senseonics. But again, I feel like a few things have to happen for that to come in fruition. But I do think, again, it can drop in price and we will get a nice position if it does drop in the, I want to say, the 360 to 350 range, $3.60, $3.50 range. I'm definitely going to be looking to get a position here on Senseonics. And as you can see here, again, valuation may still not matter much in the eyes of retail traders. That's why we're still willing to buy SENS stock for between $3 and $4 per share. Yet if the market corrects in the coming months, a change in the booming stock market conditions newbie traders have taken for granted could lead to many head turning for the sidelines. In other words, any sign of correction or sell-off may lead them to panic and sell speculative names like this one. Once that happens, after falling back to more reasonable price levels, $1 to $2 per share, the so-called smart money will take profit and unwind their short positions. So again, like I said, the verdict here is wait for the other shoe to drop before buying, and that's kind of what I said. I think we will still see this stock drop some more, maybe by the end of September, looking to get a nice position here on Senseonics. Somewhat of a small position, maybe 1/10 of the money I'm willing to invest here in Senseonics. But like this article says, if you see SCN stock as an all or nothing bet, buying a small position today may make sense. But if you're looking to enter a more substantial position, it's best to wait for a better entry point to open up before buying. So I really definitely agree here with Thomas Neal in this article on Investor Plays. I will link this article in the description below. But yeah, a lot of things to like here with Senseonics Holdings. I love the Eversense CGM system. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel about it. I will continue to be bullish about Senseonics, and we'll make a video if that day comes when I'm no longer bullish on this stock. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, have a great day.